Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are everyone? I hope everything's alright, inshallah. And welcome back to our Quran and Tajweed channel. And today we've got a couple of tricky letters or tricky sounds to see how to deal with them or how to differentiate between them, inshallah. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Our tricky letters today or tricky sounds are tha and sa. They tend to be very different, but some people still mix them up because they just miss the point of articulation. And the point of articulation for the tha is the tip of the tongue going forward to touch the upper teeth, as you can see in the picture, while sin, the tip of the tongue, yes, goes forward a bit, but is still away from the teeth. If it touches the teeth, it will be tha, it will be this one. That's why we call tha dental sound. Dental because the teeth are involved in it, right? So make sure the tha, for the tha, the tip of the tongue touches the upper teeth. If it doesn't touch, it will be seen. So let's practice. Tha, seen. The thing is that both of them are kind of voiceless sounds, and that adds to the problem because they tend to sound similar for some people. But the big difference is in the makhraj, remember, in the point of articulation. The tip of the tongue goes forward to touch the upper teeth for the tha, but for the sin, it doesn't touch the teeth, right? Now let's practice some minimal pairs of words with both sounds, so we can differentiate between them in a better way, inshallah, or in a more practical way. Tha and sin at the start of words. Initial position. Let's read. Thara, Sara, Thaniya, Saniya, Thawra, Sawra, Thaba, Saba, Thana, Sana. Let's see how they will look and sound in the middle of words, middle position. Dithar, Disar, Ma'thur, مأسور أثرى أسرى نثر نسر كثب كسب or كثب and كسب. Also try to consider the meaning, see how big the difference in meaning can be. And last slide, with the tha and sa being in the final position in the words. Let's practice. Try to go after me if you can, please. Jatha, Jassa, Rafatha, Rafasa, Arrath, Arras, Hadatha, Hadasa, Abith, and Abis. So the key difference is in the tip of the tongue touching the upper teeth for the tha and being away from the teeth for the sin. If you change that you will be modeling up tha with sin, and actually the more common mistake is tha changing into sin. So some people say kathir for kathir, right? So make sure the tip of the tongue goes forward to touch the upper teeth for the tha, so you can distinguish it from sin. If you still need any more help, support, inshallah, please let me know in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, inshallah. Wish you all the best and see you soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.